The thought of preparing healthy meals at home can be an overwhelming feeling, especially for those with little cooking experience. But gourmet cooking doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. I'm always looking for simple and delicious meal solutions that won't keep me in the kitchen any longer than I need to be. And often these meals start with my slow cooker. From main dishes to appetizers and even desserts, the slow cooker does it all while you work or play. Simply gather and prepare the ingredients before you head out the door and let the slow cooker do the cooking for you. And don't worry if you're going to be late coming home. Say you're out of the house for 10 hours and the recipe calls for 8 hours of cooking. A programmable slow cooker will automatically switch to warm, so you don't have to worry about overcooking. Dinner is ready whenever you are. With my crock-pot slow cooker, I've introduced my family to a world of flavor, and the options are endless. It's as simple as collecting wholesome ingredients and letting them simmer to perfection while I get to spend time with my family and friends. The dinner I made today is beef pot roast. With just a few ingredients and 4 simple steps, you have a delicious homemade meal without spending the evening over the stove. Place the roast in the stoneware and arrange the vegetables around the roast. Mix together the wine or stock and tomato puree. Pour over the brisket and cook on low for 5 to 6 hours or until the meat is tender and the vegetables are cooked through. The meat juices will make delicious gravy. If thicker gravy is preferred, mix a little cold water with some cornstarch and a couple of spoonfuls of the juice in a small pan. Add the remaining liquid and bring to the boil to thicken. Delicious served with mashed potatoes and buttered Savoy cabbage. Visit crock-pot.ca for recipe ideas and slow cooking tips that will help your family take the slow road to supper.